How's it going, bros? My name is Idris and today I got a very exciting special news for you. You guys already read the title. If you guys do not know, YouTube is giving away a wooden play button for those who has over 21 subs channels. So I'm gonna share it with you guys and see if I got it. Alright, let's see what we got. What the? What the fuck is this? Congrats, I'm passing 5 subscribers. Are you fucking kidding me, YouTube? You think this is some kind of game? I hit 5 subscribers 2 years ago. You gave the fucking wood button to freaking Piccolo and Pony and everyone, but no Idris, even though he got 21 subscribers. I ain't doing this shit anymore, YouTube. I'm fucking tired. Here I was really excited to see finally my wooden play button, but no, I was so happy that all my hard efforts were finally recognized. What's that? Hold on. Could this be? What the fuck is this shit? I got this one, the straw one, like 2 years ago. You know what? Give me 2 of these since I have 21 subs. Like, the fuck is this shit? You know what? From now on, let's start a hashtag. Give Idris his wooden button. I'm not taking YouTube bullshit anymore. Like, I'm gonna do something, seriously. Wow, I'm surprised they haven't given PewDiePie the diamond play button yet. He really deserves it. I mean, the guy, just like he said, they should give him 4 because he has 44 million plus subscribers. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed the parody. If you guys want me to do more, let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys later. Peace!